Electrify your imagination with our DIY kit. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Hi, welcome to Shogini Toys, the ultimate digital party kit, Project 9. So for this project, you should have already completed Project 8. Project 8 looks like this. When you switch on, number 7 should blink on the display. Okay, let's switch it off. We need to connect 2 more wires. You can choose any color wire, A18 to G21, A18 to G21. Okay, and then J18 to negative, J18 to the negative. Okay, 2 wires, A18 to G21 and J18 to the negative. Let's switch it on. See, number 7 is blinking and the beep sound is coming from the buzzer. Perfect. Let's move on.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kit.